Hey everyone, this is MC. In this video I'm gonna do only blow drying and styling, and I'm gonna do a classic slick pompadour with parting. So I feel like this is very important. People, barbers and stylists in general, when it comes to men's hairstyling, they really don't know how to blow dry a certain style. So I decided here to do a video on how to blow dry men's style into a classic style. In my hands I have a 9-roll brush, and I'm using my blow dryer at medium heat and medium speed. I start from the back, from the crown, and as you can see I take panels and I follow straight, smooth uh, sections. My brush not usually, but my brush all the time uh, guides the hair, and a blow dryer simply follows. I set the roots and then I stretch the hair. It is very important to take sections not too thick. I take sections about an inch, and I work in that manner. So when I come here on the sides, for example here, I'm not going to blow dry this very flat. I want to create some volume in that area, so that's why I'm lifting it up a little bit. So now when I come to about this point right there, as you can see, which is closer towards the front, until that point I was blow drying everything very flat down to skin, down to the head. Now I'm starting to slowly elevate the hair and create volume. In a pompadour you want to have the front raised high, and then it kind of gradually drops towards the back. So here I'm taking sections, as you can see, and first thing what I do, I just set the roots. Once the roots are set, the style will definitely stay. So first thing you do, you set the roots, you create a volume, and then you stretch the hair. It is important to use air concentrator on your blow dryers. I see people not using air concentrators, and it really doesn't work without them because it just blows the hair everywhere, and the air is not concentrated in the area where you want it. So it is very important to use a concentrator. I don't like using high heat because it's not necessary and you can easily burn your client. So I always work with a medium heat, and most of the time on people on live models I use medium speed as well. On mannequins I use high speed, but it's a little different working on a mannequin. So here I'm creating a maximum volume. I'm bringing hair straight up. Even though the hair is not very long, I created quite a lot of volume there. Here now it's important that your highest point should be right, like if you go from the nose straight up between your eyebrows and up, that should be your highest point. Then the hair should start dropping slightly. The line should start dropping toward, towards, each, towards each side. So as you can see, here I'm trying to be very high, and then I'm going to start dropping the line down on each side. So right in the middle of your forehead you want to have the highest point of your hairstyle. Now here towards the crown I'm going to create volume actually there. But as I come close towards the temple, I'm actually gonna bring it down flat. So once I create a volume, now I'm gonna just stretch the hair and create a slick look. I use a 9-row brush for pretty much all my men's hairstyling. I also use a vent brush, but vent brush mostly I use on the long hair. Now that's your finished blow drying. Now it is very important to comb out. When you do a slick looks, you have, after you blow dry the hair, you have to comb it out so it's nice and slick and smooth. So then when you apply the product, you really apply the product just kind of to keep it there, and it should look very smooth. So now for product, I'm going to first apply the oil. This is actually oil, it has no hold, it's just a shine. And then I apply the spray for a hold. Now the reason I apply the oil first is, one, to give me shine, two, that once I apply the spray, it doesn't grab very fast because it has the oil in the hair, so it kind of, prolongs the drying, and so it gives me more time to actually work with with my hands, as you can see, and kind of polish that hairstyle more. And there it is, folks. Your classic pompadour with a part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit a like if you like my work. I really appreciate it. mcbarber.com is my website. Until next time, take care of yourself.